I was at our daughter's dog sitting with her dog one day, and my phone was ringing, and finally it dawned on me I couldn't hear anything out of my left ear.
The day that she lost her hearing, I think that was kind of really frustrated for her because it just came right out of the blue. Jackie has this motto. She says, "Don't tell me I can't do something."
I met with Samantha. Of course, she did the major hearing test, and to see also too that I qualified. I had 0% in my left ear, and I think it was 60 in my right. So then I met with Dr. Mowry then and took it from there.
Hearing loss affects a broad range of patients, and we know that for folks over 65, about 1 in 3 patients will develop some degree of hearing loss in their lifetime, and that the older we get, the more hearing loss becomes prevalent in that population. So what the cochlear implant does, and it works very differently by stimulating not the hair cells, which is what your natural hearing does, but we activate the hearing nerve directly. So we're going to bypass that part of the inner ear that has stopped working so that we give patients back not only volume, but clarity, which is the biggest thing that cochlear implants can do for patients.
Just about the time she was getting ready for surgery, we got the word that the procedure was going to be robotic, and it would be the first time for that.
What the robot does is it allows me to put in an implant, minimizing the amount of trauma that can happen in the cochlea as the wire goes in, which we think will impact on hearing preservation results and decreasing intracochlear trauma in the future.
My activation was with Samantha. She did a little bit of programming and everything, and it was amazing when I put it on. It was like, wow.
The look on her face when she could finally hear out of the left ear. I mean, the eyes got so big.
My husband was sitting next to me, and I says, I could hear that.
I'm just overjoyed with the way Jackie responded to the whole treatment. The quality of life has really helped out a lot, not only for her, but I think for the whole family.
The ability to give back something to somebody to make their quality of life better, to make it easier for them to go and participate with their family or go to church or listen to their chickens in the coop every day is an honor and a privilege to be able to get to do that.
The care team at UH, I think, have been great. They really care, they listen to you. It's definitely worth the cochlear implant. That's all I wanted to do, was just to get my hearing back, and UH was the place to do it.